Citrol, 100% active, all-natural citrus degreaser deodorant is the optimal choice for industrial and institutional cleaning, degreasing, and deodorization. Dextro-limonene combines with other citrus extract solvents and emulsifiers to produce an unrivaled cleaning weapon strong enough to quickly cut through the greasiest oily films. Gum on carpeting quickly gone with ease. Permanent marker graffiti is now a distant memory. Clean away tar and rubber tire marks where other products failed. Use Citrol to clean grease traps, drain lines, or control odors in sewage plants, septic tanks, or drain fields.